Arrive in style with this GMC 2021 Yukon Denali. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: preferred equipment Group 5 SA, 3.23 rear axle ratio, wheels, 20x96 spoke polished aluminum, perforated leather seating surfaces, power-release second row bucket seats, radio, AM/FM Sirius XM with navigation, magnetic ride control suspension, 12-way power seat adjusters and 2 presets for outside rear view mirrors. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.